The suffixes ible and able mean able to or fit for, or having the quality of. The word edible, for example, means fit to be eaten, and the word adaptable means able to adapt. The main role of these two suffixes is to form adjectives, often from verbs. But when do we use ible and when do we use able? These two suffixes are commonly mixed up because they're often pronounced the same in words. Let's take the word dependable. Does it end with ible or able? How about invisible? Ible or able? As a general rule, we use able if the base word is a complete word on its own. For example, the word dependable. We can see that with the suffix removed, we're left with a word that still makes sense by itself, depend. For this reason, we use able and not ible. Let's apply this rule to our second word, invisible. If we remove the suffix, we're not left with a complete word. For this reason, ible is used and not able. Let's practice applying this rule to a few more. Do we need ible or able to correctly spell the following words? Pause here while you work. Let's go through them. Here I've removed the suffix of each. We can see that these are complete words on their own. That means these words will use the suffix able. These other words will use the suffix ible. Now, it's important to remember that this is just a general rule, and it doesn't always work. For example, accessible, convertible, digestible. These words are spelt with ible, even though the base word in each is a complete word on its own. Because this rule doesn't always work, it's a good idea to make sure the words look correct visually. Let's compare the correct spellings and the incorrect spellings of these words. You might notice that something looks wrong in each of these words. So far, we've learned that we use able if the base word is a complete word. Let's add a couple of other notes before we finish. The suffix able is used far more frequently than ible. So if you're still unsure which to use, able is a safer bet. Able is a productive suffix, meaning we use it to create new words. For example, downloadable, munchable, feastable. Thanks for following along, and I hope to see you soon for the next lesson. EasyTeaching.net